Hello, my dear sweet friends. Let's talk about TRKA. Wow. Look at what has happened today. I swear I'm not a time traveler, but last night when I made the video on these guys, I said, hey, it looks like following the breadcrumbs here, we're probably going to see a 80, 90, possibly a dollar or more here into Tuesday, and look what happened here today. So this thing right when market was like opening, TRK went, hey, good morning, boom, shot up to a 93. People with pre-sell positions in, already having them set, automatically made thousands upon thousands of dollars. Congratulations, friends, on that. And we just continue to see the stock not get much more momentum after that point here, even having a really big dip down to 55 around 10 o'clock, and even 10:30 trying to come back with another big push up to a little over a 70, and then just kind of finishing out the day here into this 56 range. So wow, what a fight today, massive volume. And like I said, I think people understood that when I was talking about, be careful buying in at 80, 90 cents here. If we see that, be very careful, friends. I hope no one got stuck right there, because more than likely, I talked to a bunch of people. I know people. I'm an investor myself, so I think like an investor. I knew people had automatic sales waiting for an 80, 90 cent range. I just knew it was there. That's why I told people, hey, if this thing hits that, be careful for a really big push up and then a really big fall back down. So honestly, even today, with this high push up and then falling down to a right under a 60 cent range here, and even after hours still having some movement here, but not a lot. Where do we go from this point on? So today was actually kind of a sell day in the whole market. The Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq, everything was just down. It was not a really big day in the market at all. TRKA started off hot, man. It just popped. And possibly if the market was doing better today, the overall market, we could have seen it do more. I was honestly expecting it, if it was going to hit a 90, I was expecting it to hit like a $1.10. It did not do that, but like I said, I think a lot of people just had an automatic sell pushed in there to where, soon as it hit that number, it just boom, sold everything they had, and people were then buying back in at that low 60, possibly selling again. And today was a good day for people, and then there's people today that I'm sure they got caught in at other places. So but it was a really interesting situation that happened here with the stock when we look at the chart. So looking at the stock today, I'm not even lying, before market was opening, this thing was flowing over the cup, and then as soon as the market opened, people's calls set off, their positions to sell went off, and it was just like a free-for-all. It was like zombies jumping over a wall, and it just fell and fell and fell. And look at this massive sell right here. Oh my God, look at this massive sell-in. And then finally, when it gets down to this 50 cent range, have small buy back in here, and then we kind of just trade hands the rest of the day. And this ending out, it's even actually trying to trail down into the 30s here after hours, but closed out at that 56 range. So very interesting day, huge volume, and like I said, friends, the question is, are we going to see this get played around with a little bit more? So I'm going to be completely honest. I don't think I've lied to people at this moment. I told people last night, be careful buying in at 80, 90, and here's what I'll say with this situation. Tomorrow is a very unknown what is going to happen with this stock. Today was a huge day with sell, and to get to that point, to what we saw today, that took time. That took a lot of time to get there. This was not like an overnight thing. This has been day by day situation that we've seen build up here with this stock. But there's nothing in the rule books that says it cannot go to $1 here, that it can't go back up. We could see another rally try to take place here. Now, will that rally be tomorrow? I don't think so, and here's why I'm saying this is because I think today was a huge day, because people are going to use tomorrow more than likely to look at what just happened. It's like getting done with a huge battle and then everyone's looking at the battleground, you know, who's alive, who's left, and the climb will start again. So obviously I hope I'm wrong. I mean, I hope it keeps going up here, I really do. But watching a lot of situations like this in the past with stocks that have done this, I would be careful getting your hopes up about tomorrow. But it's still very, very early in the week, which is fantastic. I mean, it's only Tuesday, for God's sakes, and we've already done this. Friends, I just want to say congratulations to people that made a lot of money in the stock market. You won. Congratulations. That's great. I'm really happy for people. I love when people win and they beat the odds. Now, I know a lot of you have... Now, I know there's a lot of people that have probably bought in after that sale, maybe at an 80, maybe at a 60, maybe at a 70, who knows? Or maybe you're saying, you know what, I'm going to throw the dice out there and I'm going to buy back in tomorrow at a 50. I think we'll know pretty early on tomorrow what's going to happen. I mean, like I said, before market opened today, this thing was like, it was like a dog trying to get out of the gate. It was just crazy. So friends, with all that said, I'm going to be quiet now. Thank you so much. Let me know where you're at, what you're thinking about this. Do you think we're going to see another run here soon on TRKA, or are we going to see the dust settle a little bit more before we see things start to roll here again? Friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.